Hello amazing viewers, my name is Cynthia. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please help me grow this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell that is just next to it. On this channel, I talk about matters related to faith, relationship, marriage, parenting, and anything that is related to the above mentioned. So without wasting any of your time, I want to go straight into today's video. Today I want to talk about 3 things you shouldn't do for love. So I'll be telling you which one applies to the man, which one applies to a woman, and which one applies to both the man and the woman. So let's go. Number 1 thing you shouldn't do as a woman is not to throw your life away. By this I mean, do not give up your career because a man wants to marry you. There are situations like this where the man would ask the woman to quit her job, telling her he's going to provide everything for her, and when they get married, the man will not do so. Actually, some men will do, but in most cases, even if they do, they might not do it to the satisfaction of the woman. So it is now left for you, the woman, to decide if this is the kind of life you want for yourself. So please do not throw away your life because of a man. If a man loves you, he is coming to add value to your life, not to take away from you. That's the rationale behind what I'm saying. A good man will want to elevate you, will want you to be better. The man will not want you to reduce in any way at all. I hope it makes sense. So in other ways, it may also apply to the man. Maybe there is something you are doing and a woman comes in and tells you, no, you have to stop this. If it's not something bad, for instance, you're doing a kind of business, a woman may say, no, this kind of business is not something you should be doing because maybe it's not up to standard, what she's expecting of you. You cannot just throw away your business because a woman doesn't want it. So that's the rationale of what I'm also saying. Number 2 thing you shouldn't do for love or because of marriage is to, move in with a man. This goes strictly for the women. Do not do this. The reason is simply because if you move in with a man, you are actually reducing yourself in value. Your self-respect, your self-esteem is gone. Why? Even if it's the man asking you to move in with him, if you do this, he will still see you like someone whose self-value is not high. If he really wants to marry you, let him do the needful. Okay? If you move in with a man, that sense of urgency of him marrying you will disappear. Why? Because you're already offering him wife services, occupying a vacancy that a woman or a wife should occupy. Tell me, what will prompt him to marry you if he can have you either way? Now, number 3 thing you shouldn't do from love or because of marriage is to take an oath. Undertake an oath. This goes both for the man and the woman. Do not do this. There's a video trending online right now of a guy who asked his girlfriend to undertake an oath, saying if she ever cheats on the man or sleeps with another man that is not him, she's going to run mad. So that girl, knowing fully well that she's capable of keeping such an oath, went ahead and took the oath. But now what happened? The man himself has changed and has decided to marry another person, not the girl in question. And so he wants to use that against the girl. What the man said was he didn't force her to take the oath. So what he can do for the girl is to go ahead and marry the girl he prefers, and maybe after 2 years he will consider marrying the girl who took an oath for him as second wife. So it could be the woman asking a man to take an oath. This is not something you should do for love. Let your yes be yes and let your no be no. Do not swear. Do not swear at all. Do not make such promises. Your words alone are strong enough. As the Bible says in Matthew chapter 12 verse 37, that your words will be used against you to either condemn you or to set you free. So therefore, your words alone are strong enough. Do not go swearing. Let your yes be yes, let your no be no. If that man or that woman really wants to be with you, he or she will still be with you. I hope I made sense. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it insightful, please like and share. Please turn on your notification bell so that you will be updated once I upload new videos. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you next time.